Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional gele. This is a round gele with a twist, so just watch carefully to not go anywhere. Measurement for this gele is 50-50. And you're going to make 5 to 6 pleats. Then you place in front of your head and cross at the back. After doing that, you bring forward and start making your pleats. Like I said earlier in my previous video, I think the 22nd or the 21st video, when making these pleats, you're going to ensure that it's of the same size and it's on top of each other. So if you have a short gele and you're not able to tie a round gele the way you want it, you can do this. Just wait for the finished look. After we are through with the first flap, you repeat the same process on the second flap. Now, here is a tip for you. Since you measured 50-50, there's no how it will be equal just like that. One is going to be longer than the other. So when you come across that type of thing, you take the longer one to the back, then the one that is short, you place it in front. Like now, that our other flap is at the back, but you see I'll bring it to the front, then send this one to the back. So watch carefully. So now that we are through with making pleats on both flaps, you're going to take the first flap, then you're going to put it under that second one. Just watch. Instead of crossing it like the way the other design was, you're going to put this one under the other flap that is at the back. And when you're doing this, be careful so that you don't scatter the pleats that you've already made. Now when we are done putting the other one and securing it, we are going to start arranging our pleats. We are going to start doing finishing touches. Now you see this other part, you're going to take the one under. After arranging your pleats properly, you're going to take the one under to use to wrap your pleats. Just watch. Then you pin to secure, and make sure that when you're pinning, you pin it neatly and properly. Now we go ahead to cover the back. Our gele is almost done, it's almost ready. Very classy gele, so you don't have to be scared. Oh, my gele is short, I can't do round gele. You can do this one. And you can also do this for your clients, maybe a wedding guest or just anyone. And voila, this is our gele. Very beautiful piece, nice and classy. No need to be tying boring gele on your clients or on yourself. You can do this. When you're done, you can either pin both flaps together or you leave it like that, as you can see. This is our gele, very fine. Guys, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want and I pray, I believe.